Hello students, welcome to the ASM. In previous videos, I have explained SP, SP2, SP3 hybridizations. SP3 hybridizations. In this video, I am going to explain SP3D hybridization. SP3D hybridization. What is SP3D hybridization? Now, one s orbital, three p orbitals. One s orbital, three p orbitals, and one d orbital, combines to give total 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. So now hybrid orbitals arrangement is okay. So now this is the arrangement of sp3d hybrid orbitals. Okay, the shape of this sp3d hybrid orbitals is a trigonal bipyramidal. So now the shape of this hybrid orbitals is a trigonal bipyramidal. So what is the bond angle between hybrid orbitals? Here we are getting two types of bond angles. Between these hybrid orbitals we are getting 120 degrees bond angle, and between these two we are getting 90 degrees bond angle. 90 degrees bond angle. This is sp3d hybridization. Okay, one s orbital, three p orbitals. One s orbital, three p orbitals and one d orbital combines to give total how many? 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals known as what? sp3d hybridization. sp3d hybridization. Let us take one example. PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Example, PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. In this, central element is phosphorus, atomic number 15, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3, 3s2, 3p3. Now 3s2, 3p3 is the outermost electronic configuration. Now I am writing outermost electronic configuration 3s2, 3p3. We know that in third energy level we have what? D orbital facility is there. This is vacant d orbital. So now this is what? 3s2. This is 3p3. Now this is 3d0. This is also known as what? Ground state electronic configuration. As usual, here it is what? When we give energy to this orbital, this is the electron excited into d orbital. So this is the process is known as what? Excitation. So that we are getting electronic configuration like this: 3s1, 3p3 and 3d1. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals, 1 d orbital. So hybridization sp3d. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals, 1 d orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many? 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. Okay, so total we obtained 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals at phosphorus. So second element is what? So now I am writing hybrid orbital spot here. Okay, so now it is the phosphorus, first hybrid orbital, second hybrid orbital, third hybrid orbital and fifth hybrid orbital. So each orbital having one unpaired electron. Unpaired electron. So this is the hybrid orbitals part. Second element is what? Chlorine. You know that chlorine atomic number 17, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. 3p5. This is the outermost electronic configuration 3s2, 3p5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is px, py, pz. Okay. Which orbital having unpaired electron? Pz orbital. So total how many? 5 chlorines we have. So we will get 5 pz orbitals. Now 5 pz orbitals of chlorine linearly overlaps with hybrid orbitals of phosphorus. Hybrid orbitals of phosphorus. So now first pz orbital, second pz orbital, third pz orbital, fourth pz orbital, and fifth pz orbital. So now, so which overlapping? Linear overlapping formation of sigma bonds are taking place. So now this is the structure of PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride. So now it is here it is phosphorus. Okay, it is phosphorus. First chlorine, second chlorine, third chlorine, 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 and now this is fourth chlorine. This is fifth chlorine. So between these two bond angle, so bond angle is 120 degrees, and between these two bond angle is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. This is a trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. So bipyramidal means what? Above the plane and below the plane. Pyramidal structure is we are getting. Pyramidal structure we are getting. So now this is drawing pyramidal structure of PCl5. So this is above the plane pyramidal structure. So like that, below also same. First one, 1, 2, and this is 3. So this is below pyramidal and this is above pyramidal structure, below pyramidal structure. So that's why we are calling what? Trigonal bipyramidal. So this is trigonal, above and below it is we are getting what? Pyramidal structure. So this is a trigonal bipyramidal. So it is what? sp3d hybridization.